It was a regular old day and I was walking when I saw a bird sitting in a tree over my parked car. He was a regular old bird, save for the fact that he was smoking a menthol cigarette. All of a sudden, he started communicating with me using bird telepathy, and he said, "Hey man, guess what?" Now this was probably the strangest telepathy encounter that I had had with a bird, so I was just like, "What?" And he was like, "I intend to sully your car with my bird waste." And I was like, "You intend to what?" And he was like, "I intend to sully your car with my bird waste." Now I preferred my car squeaky clean, so I said, "Can you please maybe not do that?" "I'm gonna do it!" He yelled like a bird. "Please don't," I replied, quite concerned for my car's cleanliness. "I'm going to take a shit on your vehicle," and that he did. Stop, pop, doop, scuttle-a-doop-a-doop, scoop. He flew away and left me with bird fluids on my car. I was quite sad, but on the bright side, this anecdote proves that I definitely didn't kill those 15 people, Your Honor.